Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to implement Restartable Code in Laravel application. It's also called Idempotent Code, which is recently contributed by Spatie on GitHub. This package adds a HasFlag trait to Eloquent models, enabling you to query models that are either flagged or not flagged. The trait includes relations, model scopes, and other methods for working with flags. These can be used to quickly save the state of a process, update, migration, etc. to a model, without having to add an additional column using migrations. For demonstration purposes, I have installed fresh Laravel, and a demo route, which targets the user controller. I will use HasFlag trait on the user model, but it can be used on any Eloquent model. After the project has been created, start Laravel's local development server using the Laravel's artisan CLI serve command. Once you have started the artisan development server, your application will be accessible on your web browser at http://localhost 8000. In the last access the demo route we created before. First thing first, it is installation time. You can install the package via Composer. Composer requires Spatie Laravel model flags. Behind the scenes, the flags and the relation to a model will be stored in the flags table. To create that flags table, you must publish and run the migrations once with PHP artisan vendor, publish, tag equals model flags migration. Optionally, you can publish the config, and a model-flag.php file will be stored in the config directory. Finally, run the flags migrations. It will create a flags table in the database. Open the database, and here you can see the structure of the flags table. Now you are ready to use HasFlag trait in user model. Simply, make it use the HasFlag trait to add flaggable behavior to the user model. Let us add some code to the user controller to see the magic. Though, there are other usages, the primary use case of this package is to easily build idempotent, as known as restartable pieces of code. For example, when writing a script that sends a mail to each user. Using flags, you can make sure that when the execution of the script is cancelled or fails halfway through, in the second invocation, a mail will only be sent to users that haven't received one yet. After running the script, check the flags table in the database. It should has added was sent marketing email to the users to whom the marketing email has been sent. This package also opens up general model flagging use cases, We will go through each, to see them in action, one by one. First of all, see how to show flags of a particular user. Add a new flag to a particular user and see all flags of the user. Next, let's find a particular flag of a user. Next, get all the users with a particular flag. First of all, add the same flag to a different user and then find that flag on all users. Next, let's find all users without a particular flag. Next, let's verify if a user has a particular flag. It returns a Boolean value. Next, remove particular flag of a user. In the last, use the flags relation to delete all flags on a model. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Post your feedback with improvements in comments. Let's meet with another video soon. To get updated and notified of latest news and tutorials, subscribe the channel. Good luck.